Hey there, welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. Whenever I'm out of options for breakfast, upma comes as a savior. Tomato upma recently has become one of my favorite South Indian breakfast, so thought why not share the recipe with you all? And let's have it together. Virtually, of course. I wish you subscribe because one click can create a bond. Comment because staying connected is the best part of life. So here goes. We will start with dry roasting about 1.5 cup of suji or rava. Roast it for just about 3 to 4 minutes or until there is slight change in the color. Once done, keep it aside. Next, in a pan, heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. To it, add 1 teaspoonful of mustard seeds. Once they crackle, add about 1 big onion finely chopped, 1 chopped chili, and 1 to 2 sprig of fresh curry leaves. Fry them until the onion becomes translucent. To this, add half teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry for a while. Then add 2 medium tomatoes chopped. Fry until the tomato is mushy and the raw smell disappears. While you are at it, add some hing or asafoetida, salt to taste, and continue stirring. I have not added turmeric powder as I like my tomato upma to be a little whitish. But you can add a pinch of turmeric powder if you like. This looks done, so time to add water. Since I don't like dry upma, I added about 5 cups of water. With this, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee or more if you like. Let this come to a rolling boil. Make sure you taste and adjust the amount of salt at this stage. Now it is time to add our roasted suji or rava. Way to avoid lumps is to add it while you constantly stir, like I'm doing. Now nicely stir. Lower the heat as suji may splutter on hands, and trust me, it is very hot. Let this cook until suji absorbs all the water. After about 4 to 5 minutes, my tomato upma is ready. I like this consistency. Before I serve, I add some fried cashews, drizzle some melted ghee, and serve it with groundnut chutney while it is still hot. I'm going to have my bite. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel and spread the word. List of ingredients are also available in the description box below. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.